guys. Oke, Miss Sinta sudah dapat kemarin informasinya kan? Udah baca grup kan?
Udah,
Mudah.
udah,
Oke,
sir.
so
Udah, sir.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome abroad. Welcome back to our class, guys. Speakers online in the daffodil. And happy Ramadan, and we are still 3 days. This is our third days or fourth days in Ramadan month. So nggak kerasa lagi lah, tinggal 26 hari lagi Lebaran. Kelamaan, kecepatan ngitungnya ya. How is life, guys? Gimana kabarnya semuanya nih? Semoga dalam keadaan sehat walafiat ya. Ya, ini Miss Rizka juga di sini, Miss Sinta, Miss Patria, Miss Yunita, Mas Ari, dan Mas Aknan. And okay, I'm gonna start our class. Same as our culture, we will be starting our class with sharing session. I mean, so for the today, Miss Sinta, is your turn to share anything to us. And guys, please uh, more prepare your speech before you go to the stage. Yeah, I mean, what you share to us, that's really what we want to listen from you. Itu kayak apa yang kita memang pengen dengerin banget dari teman-teman semuanya. So, Miss Indra, are you ready for tonight?
Yes, I'm ready, sir.
Suaranya kurang besar, nanti nggak kedengeran nanti.
Hello? Hello?
Iya,
Hello?
ngegas. Apa namanya? Coba deketan mikrofonnya apa gimana? Apa pakai apa?
Hello, sir.
Mantul loh.
Hello?
Iya, halo.
Can you hear my voice?
Yeah, of course. Okay.
Okay. Langsung mulai ya,
Wait,
sir?
wait, 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 wait. I reply the text from ini. Mom. Okay. My mom. Okay. So, Miss Inta, only 5 minutes, okay? So, Miss Inta, time is yours, Miss Inta.
Okay. Hello, guys. How are you? Tonight, I want to share to you about something. I want to share about positive emotion. Maybe do you know about positive emotion? In the psychology, I learned about positive emotion. Part of positive emotion is gratitude, forgiveness, resilience, and others, or etc. And
Etc.
this and my description about positive emotion, the positive emotion about gratitude and resilience. I choose the topic about gratitude and resilience because I think and I feel gratitude often we feel. Jadi itu rasa bersyukur atau kebersyukuran itu sering kita temui di kehidupan sehari-hari, gitu kan. And then I think gratitude can be a power support to everyone, and the psychology often discuss about positive emotion. Example about caregiver, and that is my experience. My father had a first stroke, three times attack, and then my father cannot go as well. Jadi ayah saya itu mengalami 3 kali serangan stroke. Yang pertama waktu saya SD, terus saya SMP, sampai yang terakhir pas waktu saya kuliah di psikologi. When my father sick stroke, I feel so sad because I see my friend can deliver and pick up to go school. But I go to school alone every day. So that is make me grow to up to be an independent woman. So I think I can do it. And then I and my mother and my family ever go to RSN Bukit Tinggi. Jadi saya sama mama saya pernah bawa papa saya ke rumah sakit khusus stroke di Bukit Tinggi, and we see many people are sicker than my father. And I talk to my mother and my father, especially I talk to my mother because I know my mother is tired. 10 years my father sick stroke. It's so hard. I feel the same. I talk to my mom, please don't never give up. You can be patient. You so a good woman and a strong woman. I talk to my mother and my father. We can too grateful because my father can be walk, even though it is still hurt. Jadi walaupun papa saya itu sakit stroke, tapi dia masih lebih baik daripada yang lainnya gitu. And guys, do you know I don't have brother or sister. I am one and only in children in my family. So I think it's so hard to me when I work my scription. My father left me forever. My father passed away when I work my scription. I see in life my father left me. I'm very shocked. I trauma. I screaming in this morning. That even kejadian itu terjadi waktu I wake up in this morning and I want to memanaskan a car. I go to room my father and my father silent. My father don't call me, don't ask me, don't answer me. And I confused. I'm shocked and silent. I don't want what I do. And sometimes I screaming to help my neighbor to help me. Jadi saya waktu itu benar-benar shock. Saya langsung otomatis teriak. Jadi tetangga semuanya itu dengar, mereka semua bingung dan kaget. What happened? Gitu kan? Setelah itu, after that, I and my neighbor bring my father to hospital. In the hospital, doctor talk to my neighbor and I hear. Saya mendengar, why do you come late? If you can be faster, your father can be saved. And oh, I don't want to cry. Sorry, sorry. Sorry. Uh, After that, uh, I think and I feel that is my fault because I come late. And then waktu itu pas kejadian, mama saya lagi permisi sebentar untuk beli untuk bayar lampu. Itu kejadian pas weekend gitu ya, jadi pas bangun tidur siang. Jadi setelah itu my neighbor call my mother call my mother and my family, send the message about my father. And when my mother and my family came to hospital, everyone can ask me, what happened? Why? Kenapa ini bisa terjadi? Itu kan? Because my mother's is good to save my father selama ini. Jadi selama 10 tahun ini, mama saya dan keluarga saya itu benar-benar nge-treat papa saya dengan baik, menjaga dengan baik. Terus pas cuman ditinggal sebentar, cuman waktu 5 menit, saya cuman terlambat 5 menit bangun tidur, langsung pass away. Okay, so I confused, I silent. My mother talked to me. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. This is destiny. Udah takdir, gitu kan? But I know my mother and my family disappointed to me because saya udah lalai gitu kan. Harusnya saya bisa bangun lebih cepat daripada waktu itu. Seiring berjalannya waktu, my mother and my family give me a support and told to me everything is gonna be alright. You must to forgiveness yourself. And I just say, yeah, I forgiveness myself. But my hati saya tuh nggak nerima gitu. Sampai dengan detik ini saya masih belum nerima takdir itu. Kenapa harus saya gitu kan? Kenapa harus pas waktu itu saya gitu kan? My mother told to me, you can to forgive. You must forgive about that event. My mother when I got up and finished my scription. 3 bulan saya telantarkan skripsi saya, gitu kan? And then sampai dengan detik ini saya berusaha untuk forgive myself because I know if you have a positive emotion, you can strong. Kamu akan bisa lebih baik dari sebelumnya, walaupun itu sulit. I know about grateful, forgiveness, about resilience, but untuk mempraktekkannya itu terlalu sulit. Kita semua tahu rasa bersyukur, kita semua tahu cara memaafkan. If you say you forgive someone, yeah, you just say to your mouth, but it's your heart, masih ada sesuatu yang mengganjal di hati kalian sebenarnya gitu. Itu semua adalah teori yang selama ini saya pelajari dan sulit untuk saya lakukan gitu. So, in the gratitude, I learned about 4 aspects. Number 1 is intensity, number 2 is frequency, and 3 span and density. result about four aspects. When someone grateful for the positive event, or if you have a positive experience, you can upgrade the feel of grateful. If someone have feel grateful, someone can feel grateful every day, and the many experience can make everyone feel grateful. Dengan adanya with gratitude, you can make more name in your life which made grateful. Jadi kalau kita udah ada rasa bersyukur akan sesuatu, kita akan selalu mengingat kejadian-kejadian yang positif. Adanya kejadian positif itu bisa membuat kita bertindak lebih positif lagi, lebih banyak lagi melakukan kegiatan yang positif dan mengingat orang-orang yang sudah membuat kita bersyukur. And okay. Dan yang terakhir ya sir, maaf sir terlalu lama. Pesan yang terakhir, I just wanna say to my father, to my God, my father, my mother, and my family. Thanks for event. Jika kejadian kemarin nggak terjadi, saya nggak akan bisa bertahan sejauh ini. So guys, sesulit apapun hidup kalian, saat kalian tidak memiliki siapapun untuk bergantung, you must to believe you can do it and you strong. Okay? Thank you. That is my message to you. I'm sorry I cry. I don't want to cry, but I cry. Keluar sendiri air matanya. Okay. Thank you, sir. This is my message tonight.
Okay. I don't know what I have to say. The first one is thank you very much for share the untold story from the deepest of your heart. I feel like your story is difficult to share to anyone, especially to us. And right now you share something that really amazing. I mean, even though we don't know what you're feeling now, but at least from the your expression, how can you telling us about your story? It transfer the energy to us. How deep your sadness, how deep your suffer, and yeah, you try to rise up yourself again. And yeah, of course, this is not easy because this is about the time, and of course, there is a traumatic behind it. And I just only, I just can only give you praise. I hope you can be more open to the reality that was happened to you, and yeah, you have to accept it because you cannot change what was happened in the past. And yeah, and hopefully your father, inshallah, rise in his peace peacefully in the heaven. And okay, guys, I don't know. I'm so sorry. It's feel like I lose my mind. I feel I lose my my word to describe my feeling right now. I cannot describe my feeling at the time. I'm just yes. It's okay. If you wanna ask something, come on. Just asking. If you wanna give us some suggestion, just do that. Oke, silakan. Ya, Miss Fatia.
I
Halo.
want to ask you about how do you cultivate gratitude when you are sad and down feeling and then weak. What? How?
Ini
Gimana
maaf,
eh, gimana caranya menumbuhkan rasa bersyukur ketika lagi down, sedih dan lemah. Thank you.
thank you Miss Fatia. Uh, Actually, uh, if I talk about the answer, this I think it's so hard to do. Jadi sebenarnya di saat kita bicara bagaimana caranya untuk bisa tetap bersyukur di saat kita down, itu sebenarnya sulit untuk dilakukan sebenarnya. Uh, Biasanya apa ya? uh, Apa ya? I have many time to alone to uh, when I alone and I feel so down, I don't talk anyone. I talk to myself. Uh, I I cry. I cry alone in the room, but I don't want cry to other people. Jadi biasanya kalau saya lagi down itu saya selalu memilih untuk menyendiri selama beberapa saat. Saya puasa dari medsos, gak ada buka medsos sama sekali. Saya diam di ruangan saya sampai saya merenung. Di saat saya ingin menangis, saya akan menangis. Saya nggak akan menahan karena saya tahu saya di dalam ruangan itu sendiri. But if I meet other people, I don't want to cry because I don't want someone to know about my problem and my feel so sad. Gitu. Biasanya kita harus membutuhkan waktu lebih banyak kepada diri kita sendiri untuk berpikir secara jernih kepada diri sendiri. Tuh, Miss Fatia.
Okay. Yeah, Miss Rizka, you wanna asking?
It's okay.
Oh yeah, Miss Rizka, you wanna ask something? Kenapa aja? Ya, grogi HP-nya. Jangan ikutan nangis ya, ntar nangis kita semua nih.
Don't cry, guys. It's okay.
But it's okay if you wanna cry.
Have fun, right? Have fun. I
Yeah,
feel so.
it's okay to be not okay. Okay, come on, Miss Rizka.
Yeah.
Sister nothing karena udah ngerasain apa yang dirasain Miss Sinta. Udah pernah.
Wah, serious? With the same story?
Yes, I am stories about my family. Mungkin ya, sir. Lebih sedih sih lagi. Berturut-turut datangnya apa masalahnya. Dari yang wisuda sendiri, mama terus terang COVID, nenek meninggal karena COVID, semuanya itu dalam satu apa sampai ini, oh yaudahlah nggak usah wisuda gitu, udah pernah ngerasainnya, nggak usah wisuda aja, capek gitu, keluarga nggak ada yang datang, jadi ya udah ngerti gitu, makanya ada pertanyaan.
Wow. Wow, you are so strong, guys. Yeah. I just try to imagine myself to be Sinta at the time when I was in the last of my university. I mean the last grade, and when I do my essay ya, bukan scription. Essay or thesis gitu ya.
Yeah.
Do my thesis, and my beloved one from in my family, that is my father. Yeah, it passed away. So of course, it's like apa ya, kayak ditusuk berkali-kali di hati kita gitu. So I don't know. Yeah, alhamdulillah I still have a partner and my mother is still complete in my home. And yeah, that is after listening your story, I'm really missing my family, especially my parents. And maybe after finishing this class, I will call them. Saya kan telepon kayaknya habis ini. Oke, silakan. Yang lain. Mas Aknan kayaknya nih udah habis satu kotak tisu kayaknya di situ. Pakai ngelap ingusnya kalau dia. Pilek dia. Mas Aknan?
Oh, okay. I don't want to ask to Miss Sinta because I know really what is she feeling. Maybe we all pernah merasakan kehilangan ya. Dan itu memang sesuatu yang sulit untuk dirasain. Kalau boleh bilang mungkin kalau ditanya gimana caranya kita bisa buat bangkit lagi, kita pun akan sulit menjawab itu. Kita akan sulit menjawab itu karena mungkin tiap-tiap orang punya cara yang berbeda, have the different way and have the different time to can
To solve.
standing again.
To rise up.
Yeah, but we need to give support to Miss Sinta or Miss Rizka that maybe yang telah merasakan kehilangan yang mungkin teramat sangat dalam dengan bagaimanapun kondisi maupun kesulitan yang dihadapi. Tapi percayalah bahwa kalian nggak sendirian kok. Kita masih punya Tuhan yang senantiasa Tuhan atau Allah pasti memberikan yang terbaik kepada kita. Percaya saja bahwa kehilangan itu adalah salah satu bagian dari hidup yang pasti akan kita rasakan dan kita pasti bisa melalui itu. Allah tidak akan memberikan kesulitan di luar kemampuan hambanya. Ya.
Masya
Jadi
Allah.
keep spirit, keep fighting. You will see the beautiful ones next day or ya di kemudian hari lah.
Amin.
Ya.
Wow.
Thank you,
Masya
thank you,
Allah.
thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Gus Anan, Masya Allah. Malam ini selain jadi student, jadi ustadz dan jadi motivator juga dalam satu waktu, Masya Allah. Terima kasih nih.
Ustadz.
Kita butuh, alhamdulillah ya, mau Mas Aknan sharing kayak gitu.
Ya.
Ayo, teman-teman yang lain. Tapi before that, I wanna ask you first, Miss Sinta, do you often listen music in a day? How many times in a day do you listen music?
Mendengarkan musik maksudnya?
Iya,
Sir?
iya.
Oh,
Especially when you get a problem,
I-
when you are in trouble.
5 hour. Tergantung.
5 hours?
Ya,
Serius?
5 hours.
5 jam?
5 hour. Iya,
5 jam denger lagu
5
doang?
hour. Iya, 5 hours.
And by listening music, it make you
Dan-
feel better or not?
Yes, I feel so will be okay.
Oke. Wow,
Emosinya
wow.
jadi lebih ngalir aja gitu, so.
Wow. Oke. Just it. Oke. Come on, Miss Aisyah, Miss Yunita nanya. Ini Miss Aisyah nggak tahu apa-apa kayak dia ikutin dari awal soalnya. Kasihan.
No. I mean,
You get. Oke.
I get the point. Maybe the climax point.
Oke.
It really hurt my heart.
It really hurt you.
I don't know.
Hurt my heart.
No.
Because Mas Ari is out from our meeting. That is hurt your heart.
What happened to Miss Mr. Ari.
Nah, just kidding. Don't take it personally. Okay.
Okay. Maybe I don't want to ask to Miss Sinta, but Miss Sinta or Miss Rizka or Miss or Sir Hari is the one of a kind person gitu ya, who really tough gitu. Because in my personality, in my life gitu ya, I never feel that way. Actually, in my family, maybe losing my grandma or grandpa like that, it's not give me the deep of that feel gitu. Nggak ngasih begitu ke efek because I was too young before. But your story give me lesson. Give me like I don't know. It's so sad to say it gitu. Because I have my mom, I have my father, but maybe we who still have the complete family must to apa ya, to do the reflection to ourselves, to grateful, to especially to our family gitu, to our mother and father.
Yeah.
I can't even tell you. Susah buat bilang.
Jangan nangis juga.
Kayaknya harus lebih banyak bersyukur. Lebih banyak bersyukur lagi karena because we still have our mother and father gitu.
Oke, amin. Oke, kalau gitu the last, Miss Yunita, give a conclusion. Biasanya pesan-pesan terakhir Miss Yunita nih.
I lost my grandmother during pandemic. I think it's August and 2020, end of 2020, and I'm so glad because he didn't suffer anymore. Because I know how hard kayak aku tahu gimana sakitnya buat apa yang nenek aku sakitnya kayak gimana tuh tahu gitu, kayak he cannot he just lay in the bed and cannot do anything, so I feel so glad. I'm sad, but I think it is the better way to let her go because she didn't suffer anymore. That's my gratitude.
Wow, unpredictable opinion from Miss Yunita. Yeah, I agree with you. And a few days ago in my class, we learned about euthanasia, and you know what is euthanasia? Euthanasia when you do death to someone and intentionally, itu kayak disengaja, kayak misalkan kematian yang disengajakan gitu, yang diinginkan gitu, kayak tapi bukan dibunuh ya, apa ya, agak mirip sih, agak bias. It's just like self killing but not self killing. Euthanasia, it means when you, for example, our grandmother has been suffering for a long time. Dia udah menderita sudah sangat lama, dan there is no medicine. I mean, yeah, there is medicine, but only can make our grandmother life longer. Is not make her what is that? Sehat gitu ya. Sehat sepenuhnya nggak bisa. Dia hanya bisa diperpanjang hidupnya aja. Jadi kayak menderita terus menerus. And euthanasia itu is the one of way that to stop the suffering from the patient. Nah, jadi kita kayak dikasih mengambil pesannya, daripada dia harus menderita seterusnya, ya udah, let it go. Tapi di Indonesia belum ada, belum diizinkan. Ya diizinkan hanya yang ada tuh pasif Indonesia. Apa bentuk pasif Indonesia? Misalkan diberikan kayak obat-obatan sederhana gitu yang tetap diberikan oleh dokter, hanya memang dokternya pun tahu itu tidak menyembuhkan, hanya tapi tetap diberikan obatnya. Itu bentuk euthanasia, bentuk pasif. Kalau yang aktif itu langsung suntik mati. Oke, guys, so thank you so much for Miss Sinta. Please guys, give a big applause for the beautiful story. Wah.
Thank you for sharing.
Halo. Thank you for sharing. Oke, besok berarti tinggal Miss Rizka ya. Berarti kalau Miss Rizka tadi bilangnya kalau saya sudah bisa merasakan apa yang dirasakan, jangan-jangan besok Miss Rizka juga sedih juga begini ceritanya. Kalau gitu siapin tisu
Rizka.
besok teman-teman. Tisu, nasi kotak, enggak ya. Kebanyakan. Nah, tisu aja. Oke, come on guys, let's open our book. Kita udah mendekati akhir dari buku juga. Kita masuk ke halaman because Miss Sinta talk about positive feeling, and right now we're gonna talk about positive feeling also. Oke, ini ada 34 kata untuk positive feeling dan ada untuk negative feelingnya ada 27. So I need you to help me to make a sentence using beberapa kata-kata nih ya, sums of this word. So I will give you the word and please make a sentence, or maybe we can make a conversation, atau kita bisa buat seperti percakapan saja. Oke, misalkan for example Miss Yunita, I give you kind, prestigious and smart. What the sentence that you can make from those words? Apa kalimat yang bisa dibikin? Nah, gitu ya.
Satu lagi apa? Kind.
Kind,
prestigious.
prestigious and smart. Gitu misalkan. Oke ya. So, I'm gonna start from Miss Aisyah. Soalnya kalau nggak
You
dikasih,
always laughing.
kalau dikasih kesempatan dia ngambek nih. Ayo, kalau gitu I give you.
Please don't say that.
Oke, I give
Aku
you
nggak ngambek kok kemarin.
confident, sincere, and honest.
Sentence.
Confident, sincere, and honest.
Wait a minute. Confident, percaya diri, sincere, ikhlas, and honest. Okay. I really grateful for Miss Sinta who confidently telling her story, and I hope she sincere of what happened, and to be honest, I really grateful tonight to
listen that
I
story.
really to be honest, I really grateful because she telling her story.
Oke,
us.
wow, this is a good example. Emang jago. Oke, next Miss Rizka, ayo. Miss Rizka, kasih yang kind, friendly, and nice.
Nice. Okay. I think he is kind.
Sorry?
I think she is kind to be my friend because friendly and nice.
Okay, I think she is kind to be my friend, and she also friendly and nice person. Oke lah, gitulah ya. Oke, Mas Aknan, lovable, terus kemudian excited and tough. talk itu ya, talk, tegar. Tadi apa? Ulang, lovable, ulang, tak ganti, tak ganti. Lovable, terus kemudian humble and grateful aja. Lovable, humble and grateful. Let me keep that word top for another one. Lovable, grateful and humble ya.
Hmm,
Betul nggak? Barusan apa berubah-ubah lagi nih? Lovable, grateful, humble, lovable, grateful, humble.
Lovable, oke. Grateful. Uh, uh, After we listen the story of Miss Sinta, we need to feeling grateful for everything that have been done, and we can and I for personality feeling humble, and I believe that Miss Sinta will can be strong because the future that yang akan dihadapi Miss Sinta itu hopeful, penuh harapan.
Oke. Hopeful future. Oke.
Itulah
Iya.
kurang lebih.
After
Jadi tetap
listening,
semangat pokoknya.
after listening the story from Miss Sinta, we need to be grateful. Yeah. Even with all the things that, nah itu tadi ya, that tadi masnya pakai have been down gitu ya. Have
Iya.
down aja, have down. Kalau mau ditambahin have been happening to our life. Gitu.
Oh ya.
Ya. Oke, selanjutnya Miss Fatia. Saya berikan happy, cheerful, patient. 14, 15, 16.
Right.
Please speak louder,
I
Miss.
think yes, Mister. I think Miss Sinta it is she is patient person because now she is terlihat apa Mister?
Looks like.
Terlihat.
Looks like. She looks like. She looks like.
Looks like cheerful and happy because she is that's murah.
Yeah.
Senyum.
Because she
Apa
has
murah
passed.
senyum ya?
She has passed the difficult situation in her life. Oke. Dia sudah melewati ya masa-masa sulitnya ya. Oke, alhamdulillah.
Yes.
Oke, Miss Sinta.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Fatia. Miss Sinta,
Yes, sir.
I give you top 12, and then 22 satisfied, and amazed 24. 12 top, terus 22 satisfied, and 24 amazed. Tegar, puas, dan kagum.
I try, sir. The problem can make me a talk
Top?
and
Sorry, can make me
Top.
top.
talk,
Top.
Top.
To be top.
and I think I feel so satisfied, sir.
Satisfied.
What?
Satisfied.
Satisfied for any usaha apa, sir?
For all the efforts. Efforts.
For any efforts about that, and then I amazed to God because the God telah membuat someone menjadi
That makes-
seseorang yang
that makes someone
strong,
Be stronger.
make someone
Make someone
to
stronger.
be smart people.
Smarter and stronger. Okay. Okay, thank you. Wow. So, and the last, Miss Yunita sudah ketebak lah kalau Miss Yunita.
I always last.
You always the last. Okay. 18 to jangan deh. 25 to 30. 25 sampai ke 30. 5 sekalian ya.
Are you kidding me?
No, of course not. Because I know you.
Fascinated, helpful, grateful, humble, caring.
Lovable.
(25 sampai 30 ya? Hai. Aduh, nggak bisa mikir. Banyakan.
Kebanyakan dipikirin.
Oke, fascinated.
Fascinated.
Okay. I'm grateful because I am humble and I am caring person. And people will fascinated to me, and okay, I'm grateful because people so fascinated susah taruh.
Okay, fascinated, caring and loving lah kalau gitu. Fascinated, caring and loving.
Fascinated, caring, and loving. Yeah. People so fascinated. I'm really fascinated to Temple because he's humble and so caring to his girlfriend. and he's so lovable.
Lovable nggak ada ya, untuk loving.
Emang tadi apa?
Loving. penyayang.
Oh,
32.
and he is kalau
And he is a kind of loving person.
ya,
Gitu ya.
ya udah gitu.
Okay. So for tomorrow night, Mrs. K, you are the last participant. I mean the last speaker for our meeting. So are you ready? Besok
I'm
ya.
ready, sir.
Ya. Besok Mrs. K ya. What do you wanna share to us for tomorrow night? Belum mau di-share ya? You don't wanna share it at the time. Oke. Jadi besok kita dengerin Miss Rizka ya, dan besok kita juga akan bahas yang negative feeling. And by the way guys, berkaitan sama final examination, please ini ya, pelajarin expression yang terakhir di halaman 16 ini ya, di halaman terakhir. Bukan, sorry. Ini deh. Untuk final examinationnya ini, tolong dipelajarin. Aduh, pengen bersin. Ntar lo. Nah, ini praktik chatting in pairs ini nanti teman-teman pelajarin. Misalkan, what do you usually do in your spare time? I usually playing a game in my spare time. For example, I'm playing Mobile Legend, playing football with my friend in the field. So sometimes I go to the warnet to play online games there. Jadi kayak gitulah. Nanti saya bakal kasih random topik. Pokoknya kurang lebih topiknya di antara 20 ini. Dan teman-teman nggak bisa memilih. Teman-teman hanya bisa memilih nomor nanti yang akan saya acak, tidak akan sesuai dengan nomor ini. Nomor itu nanti akan menyangkut ke pertanyaan-pertanyaan ini. So make sure you have read all this question and try to make your own answer, and just prepare yourself for our final examination. Okay? Nah, buat yang besok tolong dipelajari dari ini halaman 15 sampai 16 ya untuk expressionnya. So guys, I think it's enough for tonight. Maybe you have any question before I close our class? Ada pertanyaan dulu?
Sir,
Ya.
berarti untuk final examination-nya pertanyaannya diambil dari sini ya, Sir?
Iya, pertanyaannya
Atau
semua
cuma temanya aja?
Iya, pertanyaan dari sini nanti itu random banget ya, artinya nggak tahu nanti teman-teman dapat yang mana. Terus kesempatan menyampaikannya hanya 2 menit. Nah, kalau mungkin ada yang belum ditahu dari kata-kata di sini tuh langsung ditanyakan di grup ya, kayak get along misalkan apa, ini artinya akrab gitu. Oke. Itu ya. Di sini ada pertanyaan yang double di sini. What makes you happy ini nomor 2 sama nomor 19. Nah, berarti ada 19
Satu orang
pertanyaan.
dapat berapa pertanyaan? Sir?
Satu doang.
Dari sini.
Dapat 1 aja.
Dari sini?
Iya.
Just one?
Iya, just only one.
Oh.
What do you expect? Berharap 2 ya?
No.
Oh.
I expect nothing.
Okay, so thank you very much for coming to our class, and yeah, it's near to the end of our class in Speak First class. And once again, happy Ramadan, guys. I hope you can finish this month, this Ramadan, without any absent in your fasting. Nggak ada, you don't ruining your fast, gitu, kayak nggak membatalkan puasa sama sekali. So and you will reach the highest level of fasting. Ada yang tahu nggak kalau ternyata pas puasa itu ada 3 level. The first level is basic, that you only controls your mood from drinking, from food, and the higher level, that is middle level, when you try to control your mind, don't think about the weaknesses of people, don't be envy, don't be jealous, and so on. And the highest level is the advanced level, when you can control your soul, your heart. Is it not you hate each other, you don't feel like unhappy when people get happiness, just like that. Semoga dapat level yang terbaik di puasa tahun ini. So thank you very much for coming. I'm so sorry if I have a mistake. As long I handle this class. So good night everyone. Selamat istirahat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you.
very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Foto. Oke, sudah. Usagi.
Udah pada pulang.
Udah pada pulang. Pulang kemana? Udah di rumah. Oke.